What's going on, guys? It's Matt with No BS Beard Reviews. I'm excited for this release today. And so this is actually a product I have been asking for, I've been waiting patiently for, and I finally got it in my hands. And that product is Main Man's Styling Balm, as well as Main Man's brand new beard butter. And so this was a company I reviewed several months back. They make an excellent beard oil. They sent me several of their beard oils to try out. Here I've got the Man Cave, and I've got this in the styling balm and the beard butter as well. And so the scent on the Man Cave, this was my favorite one out of the four I tried. This bad boy here has got spiced mahogany, cedarwood, amber, leather, and a puff of tobacco with a splash of bourbon. So a lot of my favorite scents all mixed into one beard oil. Now, Man-Made has gone the extra step with their packaging. I mean, I can't even tell you how amazing this looks. The gold just pops on that black. And so I'm gonna bust this beard oil open. Now, the focus of this video today is not the beard oil, but I did just want to quickly highlight this because they do have a special going with the release of their beard butters and styling balms. We'll get into that all in a minute. But let's jump in. They've done something very unique. I've not yet seen a beard company do this. So they designed their styling balm here. And so it comes in this nice package again. That gold just pops off of, I mean, they get like an A++, check plus for their packaging. So let's open this up. Both the styling balm and the butter come in a 3.4 ounce container. That number there is very significant because 3.4 ounces is the most you can travel with on an airplane. So I travel by plane a lot for work, and I will definitely be able to bring this with me, which I absolutely love. And so here's the package here. You got a nice smooth label, 3.4 ounce glass container. This is the styling balm. Now both of these come with this little scoop. Now, I've seen a lot of guitar picks in my day to scoop stuff out. I've yet to see one of these. It's actually pretty cool. And so they developed their styling balm to be very, very firm. This is almost like a wax. I mean, yes, you can scoop it out with your fingernail, but this little tool they give you is so handy. But the reason why they made this such a firm hold, one, that was my recommendation. Just kidding. I did get some test products ahead of time. I've been helping them formulate this stuff the last few months, but I give them all the credit. They're the ones that did all the hard work and everything. But I told them I love a stronghold balm. You know, there's not enough good companies out there making them. And so they came up with this awesome stronghold balm. But what they've really done is they've made this to work in conjunction with their beard butter, so you can actually mix the two together to create your perfect balm. So if you like a lighter hold balm with, you know, just a tiny little bit of hold, you can take just a dab of this and then mix it with the butter to create that perfect balm for you. Maybe you like a medium hold or a firmer hold, but with a little bit more conditioning. So you can actually create your own specifications by mixing the two together. So you purchase the styling balm as well as the beard butter, and you can mix them together to create that perfect consistency. And so I can absolutely scoop this out with the back of my thumb. I do just want to show you here on camera. Comes out nice and easy. I won't say nice and easy. I mean, you definitely got to put some effort into it. This is a nice strong hold balm. I'll show you how it's nice and creamy, zero grit. You can see how easy that broke down. And I've seen styling balms from other companies. This is nothing like those. Those have a very synthetic feel to them. This just feels like a great firm hold, stronghold balm. And so you get as much as you need on there, put it in. Now this stuff smells exactly like the beard oil, which I absolutely love. But I think that is just so unique that they've designed this to be used in conjunction with their butter at the same time to create that perfect mixture for your individual beard. Now their butter comes in that same container here. Go ahead and pop that open. The butter comes with one of those scoopers as well, even though you absolutely don't need a scooper with their butter. This stuff is silky smooth. I was so pleasantly surprised with this butter. I mean, I'll go ahead and use a scooper just for fun. Let's live a little. Let's use our thumb. And so you can come in here and see, this is some of the smoothest butter I've ever pulled out. I am in shock how nice and how smooth this was. This will definitely be in my top 5 butters going forward, which means somebody's getting the boot. And so I'll show you how easy that is to melt down. And what's unique about their butters, it has no wax. You know, they did that on purpose so it can be worn without really the worry of having to wash wax out of your beard. I mean, just look at that. That looks so nourishing right there. And so for their ingredients, they've actually developed a very unique set of ingredients for their butters and their balms. Guys, we can't waste this on the arms. This has got to go in the beard. Too often I see you guys, other reviewers out there reviewing scents and just rubbing it all over your arms instead of your beard. It's meant for the beard. Just a little secret. We'll get that in there. Let's comb it through. Interesting fact, this is a Kent comb that Scuba from BeardTube gave me a few years back. Still got it. All right, so we've got the butter in, got a little bit of balm in there, got a nice hold, nice mixture, perfect mixture. It's not overly heavy in my beard. I know a lot of you guys will freak out and say, oh, that's too much product to put in, but not at all. You literally can mix it all in your hand together and create the perfect ratio. So for their ingredients, I'll go ahead and put lids back on here. Start with the styling balm. I won't go through all of these. You can go to their website and check them out. I will hold it up there close if you do want to pause the video. That is a styling balm. And then the beard butter is right there. But what's cool about the beard butter, not beard brother, although you all are my brothers with beards. But what's cool about the butter here is the ingredients it contains. So I'm gonna throw that up there real quick and read some of those ingredients for you. So they actually developed this with a unique blend with some rare butters that really aren't seen in the beard industry all that often. I'm gonna read a few of these. Some of them will be recognizable, some of them are gonna be brand new to you, and I absolutely love the way they've been making my beard feel using this as I've tested it out over the last few months. And so our ingredients, we've got shea. You know, we hear that a lot. Shea butter. It contains allicin, which is a barrier ingredient against damage. It's high in fatty acids. Definitely going to help your beard out. We've got mango butter in here. It gives you a less greasy feel. Also, it's high in oleic acid, which makes hair softer and more pliable. So great benefit to mango butter. We've got kokum. That's actually from India. And kokum butter helps cells oxygenate. And that's also going to help promote hair growth. And so probably didn't know that about kokum butter. I know I didn't. We've also got, what else do we got in here? We've got marjoram is a butter. It's native to the Amazon. It's actually a thicker butter. It really helps with stray hairs. We've got, what else? We've got Kupu Ai Su butter. It's a highly emollient butter. It traps moisture in the hair. It's also fastly absorbing. It's really gonna leave your hair feeling great. And then one more hard to say butter we've got. We've also got two more. Moringa oil, which protects hair from heat. It's high in fatty acids and promotes healthy hair. Also great for your beard. And then last but not least, we've got Calendula oil, which helps remove dandruff and promotes hair growth. So majority of those I just read off, I had never heard of before receiving these products and testing them out. I'm sure you guys haven't heard of them. And I'm sure Cassie and Andrew, the owners of Main Man, are probably watching this video right now and laughing at my pronunciation of all those. But all I know is it is excellent stuff, leaves my beard feeling super soft and styled at the same time, which I really love. You're getting the best of both worlds with this styling balm and with the conditioning butter here. And so you're probably wondering, all right, Matt, that's great, but what does this cost? And so each of these goes for $21.99. And so $21.99 for 3.4 ounces of a product is an absolute steal. I mean, I think they could almost be charging twice as much. Don't tell them I said that because I want to keep prices low for you guys. But for real, this is an awesome product. 3.4 ounces for $21.99. They've actually got a special deal going with the launch of this product. So full transparency, I don't know how long this deal is going to be around. But if you buy any of their butter or the styling balm, you can actually add on their beard oil for $9.99. And so the beard oil typically goes for $19.99 for the 1 ounce container here. And this is an extremely high quality beard oil. This is actually one of my favorites. But yeah, this is going for $9.99 when you buy one of those together. And so you literally could buy the styling balm, buy the conditioning butter. You're going to be set for months. I mean, you think about the size of that versus what you're paying. I mean, and the amount. I mean, that styling balm is so strong and so thick. You're just going to be using a tiny amount at a time. This is going to last you, I'd venture to say you could easily get 6 to 8 months out of this one container. So if you think about that versus the price you're paying, it's a no-brainer. I would definitely pick up the styling balm as well as that conditioning butter. Again, my favorite is the Man Cave scent. That is that spice mahogany, cedarwood, amber, leather with some tobacco and one of my favorites, bourbon. So can't go wrong there. But guys, let me know what you think in the comments. Have you tried Main Man? You can go to their website and I will link this below. Shopmainman.com. So shopmainman.com. Main spelled M-A-N-E. And so definitely check them out. Excellent oils. All their scents are good, to be quite honest and frank with you. I liked all of them. So I'm very, very excited about this. Again, I reviewed them months ago, and I instantly, after I got the products in beard the first time, I was like, this is me typing. I said, where are, the butters or the balms? When are those coming out? What's going on? And, they are already in thought and already in discussion. And so we exchanged products and thoughts and ideas. And, a few months later, here we are. And I couldn't be more excited. So my hat off to you, Andrew and Cassie. You guys are rocking it, doing an awesome job. I think the future is very bright for Main Man. I think y'all are doing great stuff. But guys, as always, thanks so much for watching. I do appreciate all the support. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, hit that subscribe button down below. Do appreciate it. God bless you. Have a great weekend, and we'll talk soon. Take care.